In this video, you're going to learn how to add, edit, and delete product and service sections on any web page. So we're starting here from the main dashboard. Go ahead and select whichever website you are customizing. I'm going to be clicking on sportsfootage.com. That's going to take you to an overview of all the pages on your website. And we're going to be adding a product and service section to the About Us page, but you can add this and follow along with any current page that you're customizing. After clicking on the page that you're working on, you will be taken to the most recent version of that page. Here we have an image, we're working on some text, but we do not have a product and service section. So in order to add a template that we can work off of, navigate to the Other Links menu on the top right hand of the screen. After clicking on that, we're looking to go to the Display section under Page Settings. So hover over the eye and click on Display. Your page display options are going to be showing up, and what we want to do is make sure that the products and services section is not hidden. We want to make sure that it's visible. So we can change its visibility by clicking on this little gray dashed out icon so that you now have an active product and services section on your page. In order to confirm this, we're going to need to go up and click Save once we've unhidden that Product and Services tab. Once this page reloads, you're going to be able to scroll down and now see a Product and Services template added to your page. Depending on how many products and services you want to show, the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to add or delete new ones. Now, in order to delete any of these, we want to go ahead and hover over the text until we see the block that highlights all of our content. Now, in this case, we're looking at a green menu bar, and we're just going to want to go look for the trash can icon and click that. You're going to get a confirmation on whether or not you want to delete this element, and we're going to click OK. That element is now gone. Now you can go ahead and continue deleting these products and services until you're happy with how many you have. If you would like to add additional products and services at any time, we're going to hover over this element the exact same as we did, but instead this time we're going to be clicking the Copy This Section icon. As you can see, what we did was we created a new product and service from copying that section, and we can now go over how to customize each one of these so they have a different image as well as different text, different price points, etc. If you would like to change this text on the top of your product and services, let's say we were just selling services, we can go ahead and hover over this text and look for the menu bar and the T icon or the letter icon. All right, we're going to be pressing T in this case. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a content text box. We can go ahead and delete products, and we're left with services. You can type in whatever you would like here and then go ahead and click Save. Now, if you want to change the font or stylize this text, you can hover over this text and go ahead and click Title Styling. The Stylize menu will pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you can change the size, the text color, you can change the thickness of the font, you can transform it so it animates in, you can align it left, center, right. You can add a background to it, you can add shadows. We cover a detailed overview of this menu in our text stylizing lesson, so check that out, but feel free to play with any of these options, navigate up, and remember to always click Save. Moving on to customizing these images. So hovering over the first image or any of the images within your product or service section and coming up to click Stylize Image or Image Styling, we can change this image. So you'll see that style menu appear again, and we want to scroll down to the media options. Here we will see a preview of the image that we want to change. Go ahead and click on that image, and now you can select any image from your media library, or you have the option to come down on this preview box and click New Image. After clicking New Image, you will be able to change the image name, right? So let's say boats. And we can go ahead and choose the file that we wish to upload. In this case, I'm going to be uploading a picture of a boat. All right, you want your name to reflect, the metadata for the image. That's going to help with your SEO on your website, coming to your products and services. And once that file is selected, go ahead and click Upload Image. Once the preview of that image uploads, we can go ahead and click on Preview. That will add it to the page. All right, as you can see under Services, we have now added our image. And next we can work on customizing this text. Hovering over the text that you wish to change, you can come up and again click that text icon, in this case a T. And here you have the option to select your product collection, change the name. So we can say yacht charter as a service. We can add luxury rentals as our collection name, for example, and the product title we can change to yacht charter. And then we can change the price, of course, say $3,000 per hour and buy now, for example. You can also then change the button link. All right, so this can take you to a brand new page that you build out, for example, and you can paste that button link there. Once you're happy with how that looks for your first product, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. To further customize this template, we recommend checking out videos on changing the background color, adding text gradients, drop shadows, and stylizing text and images. In addition, if you would like to change the padding or border size between these elements, we do have a separate lesson on margins and borders. So get creative with adding your products and services to any page on your website.